That's a black and silver little boy. And this is the salt and pepper little girl. And this is the black and silver little girl. And she's sleeping. And this is the salt and pepper little boy. And this, oh, got a good grip. It's the black and silver little boy. And they like to eat. So they're the babies.